Hello everyone. Today we are going to be walking through my of Mice and Men game that I have made in C# on Visual Studio 2013. When starting the game, we are introduced to an interface with a playful environment. We can see the title of the game and also the instructions of the game, the text box where we are going to enter our digits, and the guess button that checks if we have guessed the number at the game randomly picked correctly. Let's type in 1, 2, 3, 4 and click the guess button. As we can see, a label appeared, giving us hints so that we can guess the number. Also, the program prohibits us from entering more than 4 digits and does not allow any letters to be entered. And if we leave the text box empty, the game will ask us to enter a 4-digit number. So let's say we guess the number. Here I will cheat because we don't have all day. And as you can see, we have guessed the number correctly, which we can be sure of because the game congratulates us. Firstly, at the top of the code we create an array called random for digits, and this array will hold our random generated password which the user is trying to guess. Going down as the game starts, we create a random for digit number and store it into the array. Now let's look at the code of the check button, which represents the guess of the user. We first do convert whatever the user has entered in the text box to a string called userGuess and check if it is for elements long. We then create another array called guessing numbers that contains the user guessed digits separately. Going further, we create 2 more integer variables, mice, men. These will be used to show the user the correct tips to guess the number. Let's see how the code does that. First, agree 2 more arrays called wrong target and wrong guess. I'll explain what they are used for in a minute. First of all, as there are 4 digits, we are going to check each digit and see if it is correct, and if it is, we add 1 to the mice variable. Otherwise, if it is not, we add the digit that the user has used to the wrong guess list. And we also add the digit from the random generated number into the list wrong target. Now, we check if there are any digits that are not in the right places, but all correct using the 2 lists we just created. Here the iteration checks if any of the user guessed numbers are in the wrong target list. And if they are, 1 will be added to the men variable. Then we display the hints. Once the mice variable goes up to 4, the user wins. Hopefully all of this made sense. Thank you for listening.